Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. At times, it feels like things are everywhere in the kitchen, which is why I wanted to get some organization from this great spice rack. This is by Spices, and it's a really simple, neat design that enables you to organize your spices in a much easier way. This rack is a 2-tier or 1-tier rack that you can customize to how you want for your space. It looks great whether you put it on the counter or if you have it in a cabinet. In addition to being 2 or 1-tiered, it also has the option so that you can expand it. So the center pieces that are hooked together by plastic and screws, you can unscrew them and then reorganize the shelf so that it's expanded up to 17 inches, giving you a lot more width so that you can add in a lot more spices. The top tier is a little bit shorter than the bottom, so I really like that you could have one on the counter or you could have one in the cabinet. You notice from my spices, it fits a variety of different size jars, including the top part, as well as being able to tuck some in the bottom if you want to as well. It's made out of bamboo wood, and you can see that this one is painted with a nice, crisp, clean white paint. But regardless, it feels nice and sturdy, and the best part is that it just helps you to stay way more organized, keeping things off the counter. But that's just my point of view.